Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see which is the best QR code generator. So if you have a link for your website or for your business and you want to create a QR code for it so it gets easy to access it. So don't worry, in this video I'll show you the best one for it. So the best QR code is the one by Adobe and it is called Adobe QR code generator. You can simply search for it any related keyword, you will get this link by Adobe. You have to simply open it up and you will land onto its website. Simply add your QR code link, like whatever website you want to make QR code of, add it and click on generate QR code. Then it's just gonna take around 1 to 2 minutes and the QR code will be generated. Now here's the option to customize it. So if you don't want these shapes, you can change the shapes or you can just simply edit these things. It's up to you. You can customize your code as per your preferences. Then you can also change its color, whatever color you want to have it, you can do it. And further, if you want to make into like JPG or PNG, whatever, you can just simply do as per your choice. Do your customization and then download your QR code. So Adobe is one of the best QR code generator available and it is completely free, so you can use it. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.